My name is Dimitar. I'm a senior developer at SAP and I've been working at SAP for 12 years. I'm part of the Central Security Testing team, which is part of the global SAP security team. The most important benefit SAP derives from Fortify is enabling us to produce more secure software. At SAP, we consider Fortify to be best in class because of its versatility. In my daily work at SAP, I'm using Fortify SCA, the static analysis tools, and we have been rolling this tool for the last 7 years inside SAP, and we are also using WebInspect Enterprise. We have more than 1,700 developers at SAP using Fortify on a daily basis. Our security testing strategy says that all SAP code that we deliver to customers needs to be tested. Therefore, we use Fortify as the main tool for doing analysis on Java code. We have more than 2 billion lines of code that we have scanned with Fortify. Fortify SCA is one of the main products we use for security testing during development lifecycles. We have integrated Fortify deeply into the development infrastructure. We use Fortify on a daily basis. It is one of the main tools we use to do security testing inside SAP. Our strategy is to find as early as possible security flaws in our code, fix them before they reach production, and that is greatly helping developers to do their security task on a daily basis. We integrate Fortify into the development infrastructure, and we encourage every single team at SAP that uses Fortify to perform a daily scan or a scan on every submit and remediate the issues as early as possible during development. We are using Fortify SCA as the primary tool for doing security static analysis in SAP. Dynamic analysis complements static analysis by helping us to find even more vulnerabilities during the development phase of our products, and therefore we are rolling out WebInspect Enterprise as a primary tool for doing dynamic analysis. The biggest benefits of using Fortify and static analysis and dynamic analysis overall for me are to help developers write more secure code, and by this we help customers to have more secure products. We do still use Fortify consulting services inside SAP to help us get even better on using Fortify and more efficient. We use the consulting services either to create automation scripts around Fortify processes or to improve the Fortify rule sets. Fortify is a very flexible tool. It enables us to customize Fortify and meets our expectations by customizing the rules we are using inside SAP or creating additional rules that are required to cover our needs. Unfortunately, hackers are very innovative these days. They find new ways and new attacks day in, day out. And we as big software vendor, we need to react to this type of attacks, and we try to find them and prevent them happening in our software. The capabilities that Fortify has to extend its rules and its analyzers to detect these new vulnerabilities in a very fast manner is very essential to detect these new types of vulnerabilities. It is essential to detect security issues as early as possible in your code, and my personal opinion is there are 2 good reasons to do that. The first reason is if you imagine a big software stack where you have a lot of dependencies and you develop somewhere on the bottom of the code and you create a vulnerability, and if that vulnerability stays in the code for a year, there is big likelihood that all the applications that are using your core are already using this vulnerability as a feature. And the moment you try to block it, all the functionality of the applications above stop working. Therefore, there is a huge effort afterwards to try to remediate the issue and try to change all the applications above according to the fix. Having fully automated security testing tools like Fortify SCA allow us to find a lot of code-related issues during development, and this frees our highly skilled penetration testers to concentrate on logical issues and much more complex security vulnerability types.